Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Trello boards for affiliate content calendars. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Trello boards for affiliate content calendars, start by navigating to Trello.com. Log into your Trello account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Create New Board option on your dashboard. Name your board something relevant, like Affiliate Content Calendar. Select a background color or image if you wish, then click Create Board. Next, set up lists for your content calendar. Consider using lists like Ideas, In Progress, Scheduled, and Published. Now, add cards to your lists for each piece of affiliate content you plan to create. Each card can represent a blog post, social media update, or any other type of content. Click on a card to enter more detailed information. You can add a title, description, due dates, and checklists for tasks associated with that content. Consider adding labels to categorize your content based on affiliate programs or types. To share your board with collaborators, click on Invite in the board menu. Enter the email addresses of your team members and send the invitations. For enhanced organization, use the Calendar Power-Up. Click on Power UPS in the board menu, then search for Calendar. Enable the Calendar Power-Up for your board. Once enabled, all cards with due dates will automatically appear on the calendar view. This will allow you to visualize your content schedule at a glance. Keep your board updated by regularly moving cards between lists as tasks progress. You can also check off items on your checklist as they are completed. With this setup, you'll have a clear overview of your affiliate content strategy. Make adjustments as needed to improve your workflow. Now you have a fully functional Trello board for managing your affiliate content calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.